We covered arrays and indexing in the last video. In this video, we'll cover lists and how we can make use of lists to do a lot more. So we learned that we can store different elements in an array and we can use loops and .get function to display contents of an array. Let's take a look at list or ArrayList. ArrayList is an extension of array and lets you add, delete, and do more with elements of an array. It is commonly referred to as list. Now suppose Team Wonder Woman wants to add one more team member name to the team. The new team member's name is Betty. She is 19 years old and she is good with making spells. We can type Team Wonder Woman dot add Betty 19-year-old good with making spells, and this will let us add Betty's name and details in the Team Wonder Woman. Now let's print all the members of the Team Wonder Woman using the for loop. Let's run it. We get an error saying unresolved reference add. We got this error because we can't use add or such functions on an array. We can only use these functions on ArrayList. So to make it work, we'll have to convert all the arrays to ArrayLists. We can do this by changing this array of in these arrays to ArrayList of. All of the arrays are now ArrayLists. Let's now run our program again. We see Betty, 19-year-old, good with making spells. That means the .add function worked perfectly. In conclusion, both arrays and ArrayLists are data structures which let you store different elements. Arrays are non-resizable, which means you cannot add or delete elements in an array. ArrayLists are resizable, which means you can add or delete and do a lot more with the elements using different functions. Array and ArrayList are important concepts in programming, so make sure you understand